you smiling? You're smiling. What are you so excited about? What's up there? I don't see anything. Oh, do you see yourself in the mirror? No. Do you see yourself in the mirror? Can we get a smile? Madeline, can we get a smile? No? Want to check out that mirror again? Yeah, that's pretty neat. Oh. You're not sure about this, are you?